Today, we will learn remove any text from images. Open the Photoshop. Click on Rectangular Mark tool. Select an area. Go to Select, click on Color Range. Choose a color. Click on OK button. Go to Select, click on Modify, click on Expand. Choose 5 to 10 pixels. Go to Edit, click on Fill, click on Content Aware. Your text is removed now. With the help of this technique, you can remove any text from the images. Hope you like the video. Do like, share, and subscribe. And follow me for more Photoshop tutorials.